In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted boards in Monday.com. If you've ever accidentally deleted a board and felt a moment of panic, don't worry. I am here to guide you through the simple steps to bring it back. We'll start by navigating to the profile icon in the upper right-hand corner of your Monday.com interface. This icon is your gateway to various personal and account settings, making it a vital tool for personalizing and managing your Monday.com experience. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing several options that relate to your account and preferences. Once you've accessed this menu, the next step is to click on the trash option. The trash folder in Monday.com acts as a temporary holding area for any boards or items you've deleted. This feature is incredibly handy for those moments when an accidental deletion happens, as the trash retains these deleted boards for a limited time. By selecting trash, you're telling Monday.com that you want to manage or restore items from this directory. Now, when you're in the trash view, take a moment to scan through the list of deleted items. You should see all the boards that you've deleted recently, listed in order of deletion. Locate the specific board you wish to restore. Once you find it, look for a set of 3 dots displayed beside the board name. These 3 dots represent additional options available for each board within the trash. Clicking on them brings up a mini menu unveiling more management tasks you can perform. From the mini menu that appears, locate the Restore option. Selecting Restore will immediately initiate the process of recovering the board to its original location within the workflow it was part of before being moved to the trash. This action essentially rescues your board, bringing it back into your workspace in the same state it was in prior to deletion. Remember, once a board is restored, any previous integrations, automations, or data within it should be fully intact, making the transition back to your regular workflow as seamless as possible. It really is as simple as that. Click, navigate, restore, and voila, your board is back and ready to use. That wraps up our tutorial on how to restore deleted boards in Monday.com. By following these steps, you can quickly and effortlessly recover any mistakenly deleted boards, giving you peace of mind and continuity in your projects. Do remember to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips, and thanks for watching.